everybody, Virtual Rook here. We're gonna hopefully finish up this, I don't know, I feel like I say that every single day. Like, oh, we're going to finish the Legend of Zelda VR thing in Godot. But here we are on like week 3 of working on it. How's everybody doing? Hi Chipko, hi Stillery. What, me? You know me? Who? I'll fight them. Anyway, real quick, thank you so much to my coffee supporters, Vega Yeen, Starry-Eyed Prince, and Cora. Your continued support really means the world to me, and I appreciate you greatly. If you would also like to become one of my coffee members, you can go to this link right down here on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Sorry. And help support me, which is just awesome and nice to do. If you want, you can also just buy me a coffee. That super helps the channel still. And we're gonna have a new goal coming up soon. I actually had somebody make a suggestion of what the next goal is going to be after the maid outfit stream. I also just wanted to remind everybody that my partner and I, Jesse, and myself, are going to be streaming on Christmas Day. So if you don't have family, or if you're going to be by yourself and you don't want to feel lonely on Christmas, come and watch us play some horror Christmas movie or games. I can talk, I promise. We're gonna play horror Christmas games that we find on itch.io. So that's gonna be a great time. We're gonna do that for a good long while on Christmas Day. So I hope to see you guys there. All right, that's basically everything. I'm still sniffly, but for the most part I'm doing okay. And let's just get to it. I might have actually finally, that reminds me. So I'm gonna go to VR Game Face, okay? And then I'm gonna hit subscribe on myself. No. Still nothing happened. But I integrated, it said I had to integrate Steam elements, and I did. So why isn't it working? Integration. Stream elements. It says it's working. So weird. And like if I go to like the function that's supposed to take care of it, right? And I delete the trigger. Delete trigger. And then do YouTube, general, new subscriber, it yells at me, this trigger requires the stream elements integration to be connected to work. But it is connected. I have no idea. Okay, well. It's lame, but whatever. Rip Twitch ad. Try connecting it again. Like, disconnect, then reconnect. Okay, we'll do that. Integration. Stream elements. Disconnect. Connect. Okay. Actions. Delete trigger. YouTube. General. New subscriber. This trigger requires the Stream Elements integration to be connected to work. It is! It could not be more connected. Like, disconnect, then reconnect. I did that. Did it. Don't yell at me. Stream Elements. Log out. Forget. Okay. Log in. Authorize. Okay. And then I go back here. It says it's connected. I'm going to do the test one. So I'm going to unsubscribe from myself. I'm going to hit subscribe. It's just saying that. Yeah, I don't understand why it would not be working. Maybe, okay, let's try switching my account again. Nope. Still not working. Okay. That's as much time as I wanted to put into that, so here we go. Zelda shooting game. It's the only thing that I've been, like, that hasn't been working. I'm also not entirely sure if, like, Stream Elements is even working. Because here, right. Me. Yeah, like Stream Elements isn't giving me any information about my channel. It's really strange. No idea. Sorry, I said I was going to stop messing with it, and then I kept messing with it. Is it on the right one? It is. It said the correct channel name, so I'm genuinely not sure. Clean. Just delete your errors, obviously. That's the easiest way to do it. Okay. So, in here, we're gonna make a signal. Failed to load script, add-ons, bmod, script resources. I don't want those add-ons, but okay. And we're going to call it like fired or something. Pulled. And then that's just going to be a true or false, so bull. What's wrong with that? Why are you mad about it? Is it just signal pulled? Hi, Xavier. I'm trying to remember how signals work. And then down here, we're just going to do pulled. Signals don't have types. Fair. So now this is launching out the signal pulled, which I can get here. Perfect. Which is good, because now I want to go back to the shooting gallery. And under, like right now we have interactable button, but that's not what we want. I'm gonna go to our game logic. And we want to do full string easy, hold, connect. Why do I feel like I just put this in completely the wrong place? Go ahead and get rid of that. Disconnect. Nyom. We want to put this into game logic. There we go. Okay. I think it's dynamically connecting for these signals since you will have more than one, yeah? Yes, but won't I just, every time I make, like if I duplicate pull string easy, won't I just connect a signal, like, let's see what happens whenever I do that. Oh no, you're right. It's pull string easy is taken. Okay, how do I fix that? Because I want to make it that whenever they pull the string, it sends a signal to the game to let it know which difficulty it's playing. So we would want to do, but I'm going to be doing it all in this code, so that's why I'm like a little confused on, like, I do want both of these codes to talk to each other, but I want them to talk to each other in a different way. So whatever object is receiving the signal, you want to make an array of node 3Ds. Yeah? But it's going to be one signal to one object, but it's going to be 3 different signals. Unless I'm thinking about this incorrectly. It's 3 objects, 1 signal. And that's still going to tell it properly which difficulty should start, and not just fire the same signal every single time? Like, how's it going to know that I pulled the medium difficulty string if it's just listening for any signal that's coming out, or any of that one signal? Yes, because you pass the difficulty in the signal. Okay, so something like variable difficulty activators, and that's going to be in, so not here. Read through this again. Export variable, not regular variable. So whatever object is receiving the signal, you want to make an array of node 3Ds. It's only like a variable difficulty activators array node 3D. I'm getting like so many messages for some reason. Okay, good. It's people on Blue Sky saying that they're like liking the post. All right. I swear, as soon as I start streaming and I like turn off, and I start working on this, my brain just turns to absolute putty. Hi, Ethan. So you're saying that I want an export. Oh, probably not in here though, huh? Probably in my game, game logic. Thank you, Ethan. Or no, sorry. Thank you, Chipko. I do remember you. Everything is starting the game with a specific difficulty. Gotcha. Okay, which is here. So we're going to do export variable pull strings array. That's the wrong one. That's a what, dictionary, I think, whenever I do that. And then node 3D. And then we should be able to go to game logic. I should be able to duplicate all three of these. Name this one medium. And rename this one hard. Okay, and then we go to game logic. Wait, am I already? Pull strings, here we go. I didn't realize that we were already using this code to get the rupees as well, but that makes sense that I have it set up that way. It's no biggie. So we have one that is spawn the things, and the other one, my brain works, I promise. Okay, yes, because you pass the difficulty in the signal. So that means we have to go back to the signal, right? So we're gonna go back to our pull string, which again, really shouldn't be called pull string easy, but whatever, we're just gonna leave it. Then in ready, you want if pull string for pull string and pull strings. If pull string has signal, whatever the signal is in string form, connect the signal here. Then, okay, here we go. Thanks for being here, by the way, everybody. Appreciate you. All right, so we're gonna go to ready. If pull strings I'm not entirely sure why you did if and then, or did it like that. String and pull strings. Of course, Chipko. This doesn't feel right to me, but I'm gonna keep writing what you said. For pull strings in. I think it would be well, that probably wouldn't work either, huh? That doesn't seem right. I could be wrong, but at least for GD's script, I don't think this is how it should be laid out. You're right. Let's see. And thruster groups. Interesting. Okay, I'll try it. Or pull string in if what, like the signal, I guess? Like if as the signal. All right, let's go online. Godot. There's got to be an easier way to do this. I simply click on lever instances to get a unique signal for my main game script to use. It's not simple at all, it seems. I don't think that that's what I want either. Do. Okay. I think that makes sense. No. This was supposed to be the easy part of the day. Once it's set up. I'm sorry, I was reading. Fullstring.has signal name. Fullstring.signal name.connect function that should trigger. Okay, let's try that. If has signal and the signal was pulled, full string dot signal dot pulled dot connect function that should trigger. Okay, so we'll make a new function real quick. Function, and we'll just call it like level 1, and we will take this and copy it and put it down here. And then real quick, we'll just Control K that. Okay, but how's this getting the difficulty? How is this getting the difficulty of the string that was pulled? Because the way that I'm seeing it right now is it's checking to see at the start of the game. I might have it backwards, but we will find out. Not sure if you meant to comment next, Droopy. Connect level 1. Hi, sister. Hi, Cora. Interesting. But then how would I go from here to having like a level 2? Let's see if this works first. I also wanted to go into pull string easy, and then on pulled, or after pulled, I suppose, I want to do a sound. So we're gonna do Control A, we're gonna do a WAV, audio, stream, player, 3D, create, okay. And we're going to just find a bell. This way we'll also know that it actually fired, which is good, in case, for whatever reason, we don't know that. So you have to decide how the difficulty load level. You can pass the level name or an integer for the difference. Okay. Oh, and I'll make that like an export. So that way that's something that I think each one can store a different one then, right? So I would export like a variable called like difficulty. We'll get to it. Let me do the audio bit first because it'll make my brain hurt less. Scoop-a-doop-a-doop-boop. We're getting there. We're getting there. Soon. Some of these are just like way too long. That's not even a bell. I don't even know what that was. I get a bell resonates for a while, but it's not a bell. That's just somebody hitting against a tin. Excellent. Okay. Downloads. Grab this. X. Gonna give it to you. Videos. Sound effects. I don't know why my videos folder always goes like really slow to open. It's a strange bug for Windows 11, I swear. Then you take that level 1 and pass that to a function you have loading in the game. Very big files, I don't know. Maybe. Could be. Like it still hasn't finished loading. Get on with it! Or my hard drive is just dying. That could be too. Okay. Grab bell. Oh. No, not yet. Here, wait. SFX. Bell. Ta-da. Okay. Inspector. Bell. Okay, and then grab this and put it in here. And we'll call this bell. Sound. And then underneath pulled, we'll get bell sound dot play. Control save. Okay. Excellent. Right now we could technically move these so they're not overlapping as well. The real difficulty is getting over to this whenever you pull the string. And then, just because I'm having fun putting off actually checking to see if our code works, we'll do not text edit, but it is under control. It's under this one. But what is it called? It's a label, right? And I'll say easy. Is it not a label? Or am I doing this slightly wrong? Here, wait. No, it's a label. Oh, but it's a label 3D. That's what I'm doing wrong. Full string. Control A. Label. Label 3D. Create. Text, and it's going to just say easy. Mm-hmm. Excellent. Control copy, Control V. Oh, Control copy. There we go. And this one's going to say medium. And the hilarity is that this is not going to move with the pull string, but we'll fix this. I'll just put a label inside of the thing and also attach an export on that. But for right now, this is fine. Hard. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's not. It looks like trash, but that's okay. We're also going to hide the grab object because we just don't need it right now. Okay. Let's test that. Shall we? I'm not listening to music right now, so I'm gonna just switch you guys over to this. I think I have the actual game music off. Yes, so we should be okay. It shouldn't autoplay. So functional. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We should be good. We're gonna find out here in a second. I'm gonna switch over to my other headphones too, because I can't be wearing those headphones whenever I'm doing VR. Okay. I'll never be hydrated. Ever. I'll disconnect that for right now. We'll make sure that we are on Galaxy Buds. Okay, solid. And then also the other day, Cora expressed that the water sound effect was too loud. So that's why the water sound effect is much quieter now. There you go. Thank you, Ethan. All right. Let's have a look-see poopsies and see if it works. Of course there's an update. Your controllers are updating. Why? Okay. I need to charge these actually. They're surprisingly low. They're already halfway. We're halfway there. Living on a prayer. Eating beans. And fighting a bunch of deer. Whoa. We're halfway there. Okay. Play. Nope. Identifier level 01 not declared in the current scope. How so? Is it because I need to, God, I wish I could see. One day. Oh, you're right. Hit play. There we go. Why is my ground way down there? I fixed this the other day, I thought. Play. I guess when I told it to actually like look at the floor. Okay. Okay, I need to do once, but that did not start the game. I do like that if you pull it down though, it just keeps on playing. That's amazing. Okay, right now it does not start the game though. This should also still not start the game though. Yes, okay, correct. Nothing starts the game at the moment. Now I have to figure out why the pull strings don't start the game. And also we can turn off this code because that's going to get really annoying. Where's the print? This is working now, so we don't need to print it anymore. Huzzah. I'm just getting rid of all of our garbage code that we don't use. Should be pull.emit level 1. Okay. Go back in here. No, not in here. This one. Dot emit. We'll have one function to take a string. Not that. This, right? No, not that. The pull. Okay, the pull. So here. Signal. 25. 25? Oh, here. Gotcha. Pulled dot emit. And in this case, we're going to do level 1. But I think what we actually want to do is like level. And then make a at export variable level, and then make that like the name. So I would just type in string, right? Save that. So now whenever we're in the shooting gallery and we go to easy, I should be able to type easy, right? Medium. It's a tiny medium at large. And then hard. Okay. And now we want to go back into our level. Not that. I need to get rid of this because I'm going to keep on clicking it otherwise. Game logic. And now in here, it's just going to be easy. Right? Now leave that. Okay. So leave level 1. Now we've got to update the level 1 function. So here's the level 1 function. Level 1 needs to accept a script. Where is it going to get that from, though? The signal connection does not care if there are ARGs. Arguments or parameters. Okay. Well, is the problem with level 1 the fact that we don't have, like, shouldn't we have this node or the pulled on this? Do function load level. Level string. Okay. My brain is too dumb for this. This is way outside of my wheelhouse. It plays the animation that this is tied to. There's a this, which then goes through and spawns the rupees randomly. Yeah. I'm too frazzled after a long day to keep up. I'm keeping up. I'm just having a hard time coming up with the next thing that needs to be done. So would you have one for each? Yeah, there's going to be, I think I'm just going to make like, what is it? Yeah, so this one's called level 1. I'm just going to make another animation called level 2, or like, these might even be replaced with like easy, medium, hard. So, yeah. I wonder if you're able to rename these. Rename. So this would be easy, which I'll come back in here and then I'll call this easy. Hi, Story. Oh, that's okay, Story. This is still mad, but that's because it's not called that anymore. Now it's called load level. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so then in here, we want the actual name of parents with load level. No parentheses with load level. Okay. Okay, so we want to omit the string name of the animation we are going to play. Then pass that string name to the level start. Yes, I think. Should I type that? What do the 3 stars do? Yeah, I'm just not sure what that means. Level, I don't even know where that would go. Level underscore level start dot play. Level underscore start dot play. Level. Dot spaces. Gotcha. Gotcha. I go to the scene. Mm-hmm. Okay, it is. It's easy, and the animation's name is easy. I already changed it. Yeah. But now, okay. Well, we never sent the signal, though, right? Am I wrong? Because we don't have, like, I had connected at one point, but then I think I disconnected it. So here, we'll disconnect. It says disconnect all, which is kind of weird, but disconnect. Okay. And then reconnect. We're just going to make sure that it's connecting to game logic. Okay. Now at the bottom, we get this. So when you connect in code, you don't have to do it. So this, we don't actually need this. This doesn't have to be here. As long as it says that it's connected to this. But at what point are we getting the actual name? Like, since this one has level is easy, when do we grab level is easy? So under the pull string code, okay, so we'll go back to the pull string. Emit, and then it emits the level name. Okay, that makes sense. And now if we go back into the game logic, so that means that, so it brings in the level name with it. Okay, so is that what this is then? It's just grabbing that, grabbing to that node. So when that node emits, it will accept the signal and trigger the connected function with whatever is being passed with it. Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right, then it should work by that logic. Let's give it a try. Doop doop boo. Play. Pull. So far, nothing has started. I guess I could run a test to see if it's actually firing the level name. TM. Trademark? Time for a breakpoint. Well, let's just see if this ever fires. So if this actually fires, then the game will pause. I'm really excited for the Godot 4.4 because they're going to make it that there's a game window that you can click on stuff and check and make sure that things are actually working while the game is running. It's gonna be very nice. There is technically an add-on right now I saw that also does it, but okay, so we're never firing that. That function is not firing. Because if it were, we would have braked there. So let's see. So Load level string is never firing. So now, where else would we check this? A break on the connect line. The connect line. Oh, this one. Okay, let's try that. And that's also not firing. I guess the next one would be checking to see if we have the name of the node correct. Yeah, it's called pulled. Has signal, pulled. Is pull string supposed to be named the same as the base class of this? We didn't set the nodes. Go to game logic and add the nodes to the array. We did. Oh. Wait, why are they not there anymore? I thought we had. Weird. Okay. Play. Still gonna stop at the connected though. Okay, stop. Did it just auto pause or no? Oh. Okay, yes. Then it just auto pauses, which is good. That's a good sign. So then we'll come down here, we'll stop at function load level. Because that shouldn't auto pause, but now, whenever we pull this, it does look like it started the level, but because it reset the score down to 0, but the game itself didn't start. Oh, maybe it did pause? No, it did not pause. It's weird that it says XR ended. Hooray. All good, Jipko. Thanks for hanging out for a bit. Appreciate it. Okay, let's see. So now it doesn't fire the function, I think? I'm gonna try it again, but on the line inside of the function. Okay, that worked. So it does level start play level. Now the question is dot on break dot connect underscore point. Okay, that sets it back to, I think, 0? No. Okay, let's go ahead and hit play. This should logically just work now. But although it does reset the score to 0, it never actually starts playing the animation. Which means that I probably have something named wrong somewhere. No, I think that I think I must have something. So we're getting the level name, right? We've called this game mode easy. Okay. But it's underscore. That's why. Or I didn't capitalize it. That was the problem. There we go. Okay. And also while we're here, real quick, go back into the code for this. Make a new variable real quick. It get confusing. I really shouldn't do it that way, but I'm just getting a shit ton of text messages. Give me one sec. Oh, okay. You're right. I need to get a call real quick. I'll be right back. Un moment. I'm eating pizza real quick. I've been continuing to work though while I was on my call, which I think delightful. What a fun project that I get to work on. I had somebody call me about work. In a way. A friend needs help with some stuff. Okay, let's get back to it. Sorry, I needed a little breaky poo. I also was like extremely confused what I was hearing outside. So I went and checked on that, and I think it's just like crazy windy here. Are my headphones even connected right now? They're supposed to be. Yeah, they're connected. Why do I not hear any music? Ah, YouTube's muted. Got it. That does not help me. Hollow Knight OSD. Thank you. had windstorms all last night through until this afternoon. Jeez, oh man. It's crazy. Okay. We took the... So here, I was working while I was on the phone too, which I know isn't great because now I'm going to have to explain what I was doing. But... Alright, so we got rid of the audio, right? And now it no longer plays the sound in here whenever we pull. We also made it that whenever this reaches the stop point, it fires all the things that we need, but then makes it so it can't fire again, right? It makes this a false statement. So then we wait until it's up higher again, and then we do the pull string. Or then we reset it back to false. That way it can fire again if it wants to. Okay, and then we come over here. And now that we don't have this in here anymore, also, like, well, I probably shouldn't. I was going to add these to their thing. We're just going to make a audio stream player, create, okay. We're just gonna call this Bell Audio. It gets that, okay. And then we'll come into our game logic. I'm still so sniffly. I can't wait for the day that this freaking sniffly cold is gone, because I'm over it. Okay, and that's fine. And then down here, because this should only fire once now, we'll just do bell audio dot play. Okay. Let's test that. I don't think I'm about to deafen myself, but who knows? The world is full of possibilities, you know? And play. Okay. I come over here. Oh, interesting. I know why that's happening. Also, though, the level's still not playing. And it should be. Because we changed the name, so it's accurate now. Alright, back to the drawing boards. I know how I'm going to fix that, though. We're just going to do another if statement. I wish you could, like, put these into their own folders or something, so that way it's not, like, this just feels so cluttered. So instead of an else, right, what I'll do instead is if that's basically going to be the exact same thing. If new y equals, I forget, what exactly is new y again? Variable new y equals grab object dot position dot y. Okay. Grab to false when the limit is reached. The logic with the bool is worked. Set is grabbed Is grabbed. Oh, if is grabbed equals true. But that would make me let it go, wouldn't it? And on release, set the position once. False, rather. And then we'll get rid of this part. New eyes. Equals stop point. Okay. Level is grabbed equals false. Then okay, yeah. So it should work right there. Now, real quick, I also don't know why this is firing. Invalid call, non-existent function. Is XR class is in base rigid body pull string trigger. It's apparently inside of this. Are we even using this anymore? Are we even using this anymore? Yes. Okay. Why is it mad about this? XR tools, invalid call, non-existent function is XR class. I think the extends is wrong. GD. I mean, it's not actually breaking anything, so let's go to the base grabber object. Okay. Extends XR tools pickupable. That is what the extends should be on the other script. Okay, let's see if that works. And then super duper 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 quick. Why is the level not starting? Easy. Okay. Play level. And level is probably. Yeah. Because it's capitalized in here. So that was probably causing a problem. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, I'm still right. I think. So it extends. No. Okay, we'll change it back. but the variable could be lower or caps. Here, let's do a print level. Easy. The variable could be lowercase or caps. Well, because it should be playing this animation, so those names line up correctly. But here, let's try this, because it should at least play the audio. Like, we should have solved that problem, so let's test that, and then if the level actually starts, then good. Because yeah, right now it seems like the issue is that we're still not playing the actual level. Okay. Oh no. We've done something that has made it that this doesn't move anymore. So it is firing that the level name should be easy. But then why is it not playing easy? Okay, we've got a couple of problems. It's fine. You fix one thing and then you break like 7, right? Yeah, it's still letting me grab, but it's not pulling down the string anymore, which means that I must have accidentally changed something in my code up here. Equals grab object. Is it because I'm firing that it's false? No, because that shouldn't fire unless this is true. Sure. It's probably an even better way of doing this, but we're gonna wait for a second. That's just going to be a, what? A animation player. Animation. So now down here, instead of level start, it's going to be level animation. You should leave it as level start for now. Otherwise, update the level line. Yeah, no, we got it. Also, this is still throwing up a invalid. Weird. Okay. And then we go to our game logic. And we can drag and drop this in. Now all that should be hunky-dory. Play. Okay. Why is it not playing? It's definitely getting the right name. Yeah, it's definitely getting the right name. So ignore the little string and write easy to see if it works. Okay. Does not. Weird. Renaming it Break the Atoms? It shouldn't have, I don't think. I know I literally just did the exact same thing, but maybe just typing it back in again. Okay. Hmm. Yes, so let's go here. Unless, is easy just broken? Hmm. Next rupee. Oh, wait, when did we function? We apparently blocked this at some point. Yeah, no, function next rupee has to exist. I commented it out at some point. Okay, yep, user error. I mean, all things are, usually. But now... Or do I still have the stop point in? No, this was... Oh yeah, I do still have the breakpoint in. Okay. Restart. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, that's great. It's working. Or, well, at least that part's working. Now I have to figure out what I broke in the pull string to make it that it's not pulling down anymore. Asked if you meant to comment next to rupee. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Back into pull string code. Why is this not going down anymore? Our pre-stream's yelling at me for a second, so hold while we come back. Because I guess Restream's having issues. See, the signal code was easy. Yeah. Ah, it's okay, we got there in the end. Now, why you no work? So you're firing, which means that you are still tracking this, like you know. I feel like whenever I was messing around with the, like changing this variable, I feel like I must have accidentally changed something or added something that I shouldn't have. Yes, the easiest thing to do would be just comment that out for a second. Oh, what is the stop point? What do you mean? We're going to get rid of that for a second to see if it works. Yeah, I guess doing a stop point there would have done it too, but that's the only thing I can think of that we like changed. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Nope. All right, which means I changed something else there that is now breaking. Ah! So it was the extends part. Okay. Wouldn't that be like way too far back? There we go. Okay. So that is kind of funny. If that actually is the thing. Wow, 74 errors. Signal on break is already connected to given callable node. Game logic. On break? I'm not seeing anything called on break. Let's see what errors out. But anyway, yeah, hopefully that does it. It's just weird because it was still grabbing, you know? Nope. Still broken. Like I said, oh, we don't need this anymore. Signal on break is already connected. On break. What is on break? Oh, right, okay. Maybe? I have no idea what that even means. But anyway, you go to the pull string easy. Okay. You're right. I wanted to check something real quick. No momento. is grabbed equals true. Variable new y. Oh, I think I deleted something I needed. Oh wait, no, it is there. Variable new y equals grab object position. Just making sure. What is pull string or start position doing again? Like, do we have to be getting start position? So vector 3, okay. Okay, so that is important. We're putting the string back to where it was. Okay. I don't know why. Like, it would definitely be 128. I can see its corpse. Where's the part that the y is being set? Self.position.y. Oh, new y. Oh, is that the problem? On line 28. It's corpse. Self dot position dot y equals grab object dot y, right? Or no, new y. We aren't updating y. Okay. Whenever I was attempting to clean up code, instead I was completely and utterly breaking the code. That sounds about right. That sounds like par for the course. And play. No, we're back to doing this. Oh, easy. Got stuck down at the bottom. That's kind of hilarious, actually. Sorry, easy. You're on the floor. Okay. But I feel like that was because we had to put it up here. Oh, but we can't do that because... Yeah, because new y doesn't exist yet. Give me a second. Oh, maybe? Pull string, which is just self. Oh, right. No. Not self. We're incorrect. It's pull string, not self. That's how we fix this. Which we sent it as that by doing what? Grab object pull string. There it is. Okay. So pull string dot position dot y equals new y, because I was doing self, which was pulling the entire thing, but we broke these apart so that way it wouldn't do that weird glitch anymore. Right. Now it should work. And if it does, then I've got some crazy good news, which is that basically the code part of this game development is done. I just have to like set up the levels. Please work. Okay. I mean, oh no, we knew that that was going to be the case. Yeah. Okay. I can't aim. Hut. There we go. I just wanted to get one. Okay. Okay, everything works. Solid. We've done it. Hurrah, hooray. Pollute clay. Okay, well, cool. Solid. Now, what I want to do, I said we were done with code, but we're actually not done with code. At ready. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna add a label 3D. Oh, wait, I accidentally clicked no 3D. Label 3D. Text. $180. Yeah. Exactly. Great minds think alike. Coding is fun. Coding's the best. Unless you're a nurse, then coding is not the best. Now, when the game starts, it should just work. Yeah, I'm down to see something neat. I'm gonna test this real quick, but yes. Very yes. Hey! Okay, they're like medium doesn't fit, but now whenever we pull, I need to parent this to the string itself. Okay, god damn it. Here, wait. I was so excited. I was like, I'm gonna be able to pull it, and it's gonna be like so cool. But I need to actually parent it to the pull string. There we go. Scene. Save all scenes. Okay. Play. God damn. Why are we mad? Oh, because now we've changed the location of this. That's fair. I get why you're mad. I just so desperately want Hollow Knight Silksong to come out. Like, I would sell probably like at least a good portion of my organs to get it to come out. There we go. Look at that. Now it plays. Excellent. Love that. It's beautiful. It's a work of art. Truly. Okay. Couple more things and then we're done. So, okay. Go to pull string easy at the top, do tool, okay? At the top, do tool. Okay. Okay. So that's why you export instead of direct reference. Good point. Fixes that in most cases. Above extends. Oh, even higher than extends. Okay. Tool. Okay. Great band. Super good band. Love tool. Save and look at scene. Yeah, tool's great. See? Great minds think alike. And then look at scene. Like, other one. Main. Okay. Okay. Here, wait, give me a second. I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to be seeing. Oh, it says the text now. Yes. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Hell yeah. That's cool. That is cool. Good call. Good call. I feel like I'm just going to have to accept that we're just going to get these errors because everything's working exactly as intended. And I feel like our efforts to fix this, that error looks to be an issue with the extra toolkit. Yeah, but it's working, so I don't care. It would be awesome if I could just tell it to ignore an error, right? Don't worry about it. It's fine. Okay. Well, that is basically the game done. I'm going to do one more thing. That's the game done. One more thing. Just gonna add one more thing. It is going to be a 3D position track, but can I click you, please? Thank you. Pull you out of there, bring you down here just so I can work with you. Oh, That way I can close all this, because, my God. The real question is, do I need 2 of these, or can I do it with just 1? Or, sorry, do I need 3 total? Yeah, I'm gonna need 3 total. Shame. Just make bigger. But then it'll stretch out the texture. These are actually, like, unwrapped. I probably shouldn't have made them unwrapped. I probably should have just done, like, a texture, whatever, the world. I can't words right now. I feel like I can never words. There we go. It's fine if you can slightly see through. Ooh, ominous. Okay. And then, yeah, we're just gonna go back down to our animation. Right now, it starts the animation at the, like, frame mark. I want to wait, like, what, like, maybe 3 seconds, so that'd be 24, 48. Or wait. Okay, yeah, that is the total. 24. Or is that in seconds? That must be in seconds, right? So this is running every 30 seconds. So right now it starts at the 6-second mark. Yes. Okay. I see. Go ahead and select everybody. And we're just going to make it that after 3 seconds, snap at 1. Thank you. Okay. And then we just need to make sure that the end point is at, it looks like 32. Okay. Solid, okay. Now we're going to add a track, 3D position track. That is going to be taking care of main curtain right. And then we'll just go ahead and do another one for main curtain left. Okay. Insert key. Where did you go? Why are you way over there? Why did that move you? Oh, what is happening? Why is the world breaking? That's very strange, but okay. Okay. 3D position track. Weird. Good call. That just looks cleaner. Insert keyframe. And then add track 3D position. And we get the other curtain. So that was main curtain left. We need main curtain right. Do the same thing. And then the game itself starts here. So I suppose it wouldn't hurt to have it right up against it. I really like the animation system in this, in Godot. I feel like it, I don't know, it just works the way that I want it to most of the time. Okay. And then it'll start spawning stuff. Okay. And then I'm just gonna copy these. And we'll actually make this a little bit longer. So we'll make this like, what, 36? I said 36. Just because my fingers didn't type 36. And then we'll go to 33. Control V. We'll just swap these. Yeah, I've done animation before. I'm literally, so don't tell anybody, okay? Xavier, you're the only person who knows this, okay? Lock in. Because you're the only person here, you get to know this, all right? You ready? We're making this personal. All right, there we go. Okay, lock in, because no one else is here, and that's on them, so they don't get this little tidbit. The crow that I have, which for some reason is gone on this frame, even though he should be here. But, okay, well, I guess this is less impactful. Sorry. This one, right above me. My little guy right here. If you type exclamation point caw, he's the one who caws. He has a little animation. I am the one who caws. Yeah, there you go. I have spent like the past like couple of days completely redesigning him and making new animations for him, making cleaner animations for him, and he looks way cuter. He's like a little orb of a bird now. I'm so excited, but that's probably going to be tomorrow's stream that he exists. But you're the only one who knows. Nobody on the Discord knows except for you now. Rip bozos, that's what they get for not being here. And see, this is perfect, because now all I'm going to do, I also like that I only, did you notice that I only capitalized this E? I'm really good at game design. Like, some say the best. Let's fix that real quick. All these are going to be capitalized. And then that way, whenever I make my animations for them, why didn't they update? Shouldn't they have updated? Scene has to refresh, I think. Well, either way, okay. I'm gonna duplicate this. We're gonna call it medium. And medium is going to just be basically the same. Except, I think we're just gonna make it that stuff flies out at a more like constant rate. So right now this is at 3, and then right now they're flying out every 5. I think we're gonna make it that they're flying out at like every like 2. And there's just simply going to be more of them. If I could on this, but can you add a parameter to that next rupee function? I don't know. Yes, I think. Interesting. That could be fun. I mean, I was just gonna make a function that randomly chose the color of it by, like it would randomly pick between like 5 colors, and that was it. It just wouldn't matter what it was spawning. But I see what you mean. Like I could make it that there's not only different colored rupees, but they're actually worth different amounts of points. Here's the real question, right? Is there a way for me to get the amount of times that this fires and update the score? I'm trying to think how I would even go about that. Not like that, I don't think. Damn it. Okay. Then I think for the sake of simplicity, come in here, go to game logic. Just make this 0. And then we're just gonna show the amount of points. That's it. That just makes it easier. Yeah, I could set it manually, but I would want it to like just look to see if you pull medium how many it should show. I'm fine. Let's test this. It should work fine now, I think. Okay, for some reason, The curtains aren't lined up properly. I don't know what caused that, but... Easy first. God, I'm so good at my own game. I say that, but I'm going to go to medium and I'm going to be like, this is too hard. Oh, okay. We might have to increase the amount of time that medium, or, that it gives you for that. Well, so far, medium's really easy. Are we sure that we're not just playing easy again? That was just easy again. So it didn't actually play medium that time. Huh. Also, the curtain closed to the proper location. Weird. Medium. Oh, where's the animation stop? So are we calling it directly? I think we are calling it directly. Should play. Level animation. Oh, well, we are grabbing this. Oh! That would do it. I forgot that we did that to test. Okay. This is the one that's borked. In reset. Okay, that's fine. There we go. All right, let's try it again. And then I'm gonna see if hard works. There is, I need to like have it pick from the array, but never the same one twice. And I know there's a way to do that, but because whenever we do hard, we're gonna make it that it's firing 2 at the same time. Oh, nope, that still isn't right, but okay. Let's go to medium. Oh, it's definitely faster. God, I'm really good at using a bow and arrow. Did you know that? Nice. Okay. It closes correctly, it just doesn't start correctly. Let's check reset again. Oh, I know why. I never update it. No, I never actually, like, put a new keyframe in. I moved it, but I never actually put the new keyframe in. Rookie mistake. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now it's correct. All right. Did anything else break during that? The only thing I could think of is that I want to give a little bit more breathing room at the end of easy. So let's just go back to easy. Because right now, it like starts closing the curtains like way too soon. So let's go to like here, I think. And so now we end on 38, I believe. Yes, okay. Cool. And then let's see if we can make hard. Let's see, medium animation. Let's duplicate medium. So we'll go to medium, duplicate, we'll call this hard. And then let's, can we duplicate a track? Oh my God, you can. We're just gonna offset it maybe by like 1. Let's see how chaotic that is. Hopefully extremely. I want full-on panic mode whenever you play hard mode. I want those curtains to open up and I want you to cry. I might also turn the, yeah, see, now it's fixed. Oh, excellent, okay. I want to turn the, rupee, speed into a variable that you can edit. Okay, bring it. I got this. I ain't scared. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, God. It's spiraling. I'm still getting a lot of points. Shit. That was almost a 2-pointer. I actually kind of like that you can hit both of them at the same time. So I might leave that. Well, I still got 20 points. That's not bad. Let's try it again. Come on, bring it. Oh, fuck. Ah, damn it. Yes! Well, I at least beat my score. 22. Once I upload this to GitHub, you can see if you can do better than me. All rupees, all the time, non-stop. Oh, it's working. I'm so happy it's working. Okay, what is it that I still need to do? I'm gonna leave it. I think game-wise, it's fine. It's working the way I want it to. So I might just pretty it up, I guess. I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be back, okay? And then we'll start just doing fun art things, I guess. Where's my... Oh, did I finish my Coke Zero? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to go and get a drink. I'll be back. Okay. Well, that's what are I forgot that I was using my earbuds. All right. By God, we've done it. Amazing. All right. Now we have to decide how else are we fixing this up? What else do we want to do? Thank you. I'm thinking, yeah. All right. Let me bring up or open up my to-do list. Okay. So let's see. We did that. Aren't there supposed to be like functions down here? Okay. Well, so that's done. Oh, good. You're also in Blender. Excellent. We'll be Blender buddies for the night. So all of that's done. That's done. I was considering doing a loading screen. I genuinely don't know how to even do that. That would be something I would have to research. Let's do would sign to hold score. Let's do a like shop sign with my social media info. That's good, because this is going on itch.io. Hunky Lumberjack, you're so right. Hunky Lumberjack at counter. We can't forget him. In fact, let's just get, like, I don't want to pull too closely to what's actually in the real game, because I don't want Nintendo to get mad at me. So let's just, like, what do you call that? Like, I guess just objects. Just fun stuff around. Okay. First, let's just make the signs, okay? And to make sure that we're keeping everything at the correct scale, this is like the smartest thing you can ever do, ever, forever, and always. I actually have the entire map blocked out in here with it's the Unreal model. But dang it, it works. Okay. Now, it's not perfect, like the actual, like there's a board up here in my game, which I might be able to actually do really quickly. No, I apparently smushed all of these together. Oh yeah, there's also usually another panel right here. We could probably just do that. No, we need longer. There we go. Honestly, I'm gonna just go ahead, duplicate this. It's gonna go over here and down. And we'll go to hue, make another mesh instance that's unique. But it's gotta, you know, actually land on something, right? There we go. Okay. So extra, but looks like it's missing the side pillars. Oh, it is, yeah. That was like the very first thing I modeled was that box out, and I've added things like over the course of the, you know, game development. So that's totally understandable that that's missing. Oh, you're not right either? That's lame. Make unique. Beautiful. I could be real crazy and make hinges, but eh. Hinges are just black rectangles. Yeah. It's fine. Nobody's gonna look that close. It's fine. We don't need it. Oh, we should also put a potted plant in here, but I guess that falls under the category of random objects, huh? Okay. So, oh, right. I also have to do the painted wall backdrop. Do, not stencils. What do you call that? A Mario pipe pot. Yahoo! Classic. It's just that easy. Do I want to take the time to actually model out a plant, or do I want to see if I have a plant model elsewhere that I could just use? Oh, do I still have that? Here, wait, I have to go to my file system, so give me a second. I'll also like bevel that, but here, wait. I'm curious if I still have, there's a really, really old model that I made whenever I was first learning how to do VR game development in Unreal Engine, and I'm curious if I still have it. Let's see. Oh, I should bring the fight dummy in. The fight dummy's cute. Ah, low poly bush. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy it still exists. I present to you the low poly bush. It's beautiful in all of its majesty. And then what I'll do is come back into here and we're just gonna append it. Objects, bush, append. Oh, it's so little. It's beautiful. I love it. Could maybe do something more like excellent. Scale up in the Z. It's beautiful. Tree out of 10. It's beautiful. 0.001. Maybe further than that. There we go. Right. I'm going to just grab these. Control bevel. So much nicer. Good point. I was also trying to decide if I wanted to We'll give it a shot. Export that. Okay. And this we're going to call pot. Export that. Oh wait, don't export that. I need to actually create the UVs for it. Yes. Mark seams. Mark seams. Unwrap, angle based. Every time. Add-ons. Okay, somewhere in here is Zen. There it is. Did that work? Install from the disk. It's not working. Maybe it's magic UVs that I'm thinking of? No, it's not that. Dang it. Sorry. Hi, it's my face. Let me check and make sure that like Zen still exists. My orders. So it does still exist. Maybe it just wasn't, like, because I had an older copy of it. I just wasn't happy that I was using an older copy. Stop from disk. Okay, that worked. There we go. It was just an older one. Jeez, oh man. That was annoying. Okay. Because very specifically, I want their one tool that, yeah, does that. Can I do it with this? Should I do it with this? Probably not. So just got vibrations. Oh, I have my YouTube year in review on YouTube. Neat. Fancy, fancy. Okay. Where's the packing? I guess that's fine. Okay. Now we'll export that. Do it. Do the pack. Okay, we also really quickly want to append from another folder. That's going to be Fighting Dummy. I don't think that worked. Yeah. Are you actually a... You're not, no. So we'll just call you String, I guess. Honestly, this wouldn't even make that bad of a model to have outside. Just jumping in for a second on my coffee break. Hi, Bastion. How's it going? Coffee kind of sounds nice, but it's way too late in the day for me to be drinking coffee. We finished the game. It's done. Do you want to see it real quick? I don't mind playing again if you want to check it out. You let me know. Okay, here we go. Save. Let's do this. Nope, actually my headset might be dead. Let me check real quick. Well, hopefully that's enough to start up and play. We're gonna find out. I believe in you, headset. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to speedrun this. Go, 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 go. Okay. Hit play. Make it full screen. Okay, so here's the game. I also guess we need to have some kind of thing there so that doesn't look silly. But big old curtain in front of us. You can grab our bow. Make sure I'm not about to smack the shit out of my desk. There's easy, medium, and hard. We're gonna do hard because it's chaotic and fun. Curtain opens and then the chaos begins. Dang it. Aha, 26. That's my current best. Oh, apparently the physics on the bow are able to interact with my character's body. I should fix that. But yeah, that's the game. It's really good. I'm really happy with it. It's like, now we're just prettying it up to make it look neat. But the game itself is done. Feels good. Running over Steam Link? Yeah, running over Steam Link. It's only noon over here. Still time for coffee. Very nice. What's up, Xavier? Was that a sound to congratulate me? I don't know. I'm super, super proud of this project. And things that then bounce into you is a common issue. Yeah, I'm trying to think of how we're gonna fix that, actually. Modeling hair, pain. It is pain. Using Jolt? I don't think so. That's the physics engine, right? It's whatever the base physics engine for Godot is. We could look into that. Is that a physics engine? Jolt's a physics engine, right? That's the one that's going to be part of Godot in the next update, right? I think 4.4 is just going to have that as like an option built in. Okay, I have not installed Jolt, so I want to know. That's fine. How do I change your physics layer so you don't smack into me? Okay. I'm very excited for 4.4. It's going to have so many things that are just great. Hmm. The way you phrase that, Bastion, are you one of the people that actually, like, builds Godot? One of the, what do they call them? Contributors, right? You can remove layer 3 from the player's body if you don't want to bounce it. Okay, cool. Where is my actual player at? I don't remember. Oh, there you are. Player body. Like that. Thank you for existing. I'm building my entire existence around what you've created, and I love you for it. Thank you, Bastion. Can we be best friends? I have some suggestions. It's 3:13 a.m. and I just woke up. I'm the original author of the XR tools, though Malcolm has probably done more in it than I did originally. That's fair. If the rest of my channel didn't make it obvious enough, I'm obsessed with VR, and I'm absolutely in love. I still don't know why I get these errors. I just kind of don't care. I'm absolutely in love with, oh, I think the headset died again. Yeah, I missed the connection. I did. Completely and 100%, I fully missed that connection. Yep, there you are. I'm very excited to be able to, once this project's done and looks pretty and all that fun stuff, I'm so excited to post it on itch and then share it everywhere. I'm hoping people enjoy it. Very cool. Well, I feel like it's an honor to have you in here regardless, because that's super neat, and I'm really, really happy with what you've given me as a gift, as a creator. Okay, so, but now that we've turned off 3, let's see if that fixed this. I know that I just said that my headset might have died again, but I'm gonna try anyways. Are you alive? Because, okay, it just disconnected from Steam Link, that's fine. I still think the absolute best part about doing or building games for VR in Godot is that regardless of whether or not my headset is connected, Godot freaking keeps running. I don't know if anybody's used Unreal Engine for VR game development, but if your headset disconnects while you have Unreal open, it closes the entire, like, program. Hope you saved. It drives me nuts. Okay. And now this should not be able to go inside of me. Yay! And I should still be able to grab you, right? Or did I turn off distance grab? I might have turned off distance grab, which is fair. How do I use the points? Exclamation point and then like hydrate is I think the only thing you can do with the point system right now on YouTube. Okay, let's go back into our character then. And I'm going to turn on, what is that? That's the grab. Ranged enabled. And maybe let's turn that down because that's probably way too high. Like 100, that's probably still too high. Sorry. Ugh, I had sunflower seed in my throat. If you watch me die on stream, just know that I love you. See how often, yeah. I don't know if I'm the only, I don't think I'm the only person with the problem, but I would always have to set my headset to like never shut off. Because if it shut off while I was working in Unreal Engine, it would turn off the entire program. It did so many weird things. I love Unreal Engine for like, you know, its graphics capabilities, but as far as like they just have completely neglected the VR side of it, which makes me really sad. But that's okay, because I have a much more fun engine to use. Just blowing through that battery life. Yeah, I should probably like put this to sleep, and because at least it doesn't take very long to get back up and running with the Steam VR Link. I love Steam VR Link. I'm so excited for their new headset. They need to announce it, dang it. I'm a huge nerd for it. Okay. But there, we fixed another problem. Let's get back to trying to make this pretty. I kind of feel like this could probably be part of body. These are so unnecessary, but I kind of want to keep them in regardless. Why can't I control J these? Oh, I probably need to be on here. There we go. Nails. When I stream, I generally leave my headset plugged into the power just in case. I need a longer cable is the problem. Right now my cable's too short to, like, put it on my head. That when the headset goes to sleep, seems like it exits. So Questlink does the same. Yeah, it'd be nice if it could just leave it up. I wonder if we could put that in as like a recommendation to them, because it makes it very frustrating for, you know, development. Currently, the reason why my headset keeps dying is because I have my Quest set up that it doesn't fall asleep for 4 hours. So it just stays on. I also just realized the error of my ways. I can't bring all of this into Substance Painter. I would have to smush it all down into one thing. YOLO? Okay. And then we'll just call this dummy. Hey, Story. And then we're just gonna, you know, go through and try to make UVs that don't suck. This might take a while. This is probably way more work than I should be doing, given that, you know, we're literally at the end of this, and I could just not put this mannequin in. But where's the fun in that, you know? What? I need a copyright strike. What are you talking about? Oh, I didn't read your full message. It is. My voice is extremely copyrighted. My entire existence, actually, is completely and utterly copyrighted. Mark seams. I don't know why, whenever I made this like 6,000 years ago, I thought that it was a good idea to give the arms and the neck, like, why are they this? I guess I wanted it to be smooth. That's the only thing I can think of. But like, that's so much. So many polys. Okay. Like, I suppose I could technically have you guys listening to what I'm listening to, because right now I'm listening to the original soundtrack for Hollow Knight, which is a banger of a soundtrack. But usually YouTube gets mad at me if I do that. Nothing better than last-minute changes that delay a project by days. Yep, exactly. Man, write that on a shirt. It's like my entire existence. Well, headset went to sleep again. Headset went to sleep again. Like, God forbid I just, you know, let this project be done so I can move on to my next project. Which, at least for the time being, is a secret. I mean, you guys will know as soon as I actually get started on it, but I am really excited for the next VR project. I'm trying to, like, speed run doing this model, or, you know, unwrapping. Listen, nobody likes to unwrap, all right? It's kind of the worst. We're gonna, listen, this is gonna be the coolest looking dummy you've ever seen, okay? It's gonna be worth the fact that it's adding like 1,000 tries for no reason to this project. And be like, wow, my computer's on fire, but it looks really good. You're doing our VR game jam in February? Yes, I would love to. I didn't even know that was going to be a thing. I should read more. But yeah, totally. I would love to. I want to find a team for sure, because I've tried to do solo game jams and I never finish. Maxime. That's probably fine for that. Maxime. And then let's just like break this rope up in a couple of different spots. Sure. Okay. Now let's see if we screwed up. Unwrap. Yep. Something failed. But yeah, I actually have done a couple of game jams in my day, or like in my time as a designer. Modeler? I don't even know what I am. Game designer. We're just gonna say game designer. And I've even won one. At least once I have won. And I'm very proud of that. Oh, it's this arm. Which means that I never actually, like, gave this. There we go. Mark C. Is that everything? Unwrap. Hey! Thank you. Appreciate it. Switched over to Twitch. Okay. Do you prefer Bastion or do you prefer Mux? I'm assuming Bastion because you go by Bastion on the Discord. That's not right. We want this one. Oh, nope, something's still wrong. But I don't see anything that's wrong. Oh, right here. Maybe? No, that's kind of fine. That's not a problem. What's broken? There's something that's very not happy that it got unwrapped. But I don't see it. Usually you can see the thing that, like, is broken. Oh, it's this. What are you? Wait, you can't also be the arm. Wait, why are you broken, though? Are you broken? No, you're not broken. You're fine. I'm not sure yet. Bastion is my real name. Mux has been my nickname for God knows how long. Either is fine. Okay. Because I will probably refer to you as Mux if you're on, you know, that account. And if I ever forget who you are, just remind me. I'm sorry. It's just, I'm so bad with names. It's a curse. Okay, well, I don't know what it thinks broke, so we're just not going to worry about it. Export. And then we also have our lovely little bush over here. Let's go ahead and make our sign before we leave. We'll make both signs. We'll make the score sign, and we'll make the, all right, Control, or no, Shift S? Yeah. That is the world of origin. Interesting. Okay. Grab the Z, grab the Y. Yeah, first and foremost, I would say that I'm a 3D modeler. I'm very much so just learning how to program. Now, that being said, that does not mean that I'm good at it, but it is what I do the most. Everyone is same for me, but here's my real name on GitHub and YouTube. So many people who don't connect the dots until weeks, if not months after they meet me on Discord or elsewhere. Okay, but I mean, that is what happened with me. But like, that's kind of cool in its own way, because it's sort of like finding out that you've been talking with a celebrity and you didn't even know it, like, in its own way. Not to, like, you know, fluff up your feathers too much, but I don't know. I think that's neat. That it's not immediately obvious who you are and what you've done. I kind of want to make this, like, it should look handmade. Maybe there. And then we'll duplicate, rotate on the Y. I'm so used to doing tutorials that, like, I can't stop myself from saying out loud, like, what hotkeys I'm pressing and stuff. It's so bad. Oh, I love it. It looks like a 4-year-old made it. It's awesome. Like, it looks like somebody's first woodshop project, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh, it's great. Unless it comes up. That's fair. Here, so I want to, because we already have a model of a nail, I'm just going to grab one of them. Although, are they like a million? Nah, they're not a million. They're fine. P selection. Shift S. Selection to cursor. Shift S. Selection to cursor. No? Oh, duh. There we go. Oh, right. I'm good at 3D, everybody. Origin to geometry. Selection to cursor. Now we can go to it. Excellent. And then we'll just join it. Okay. L. And then honestly, I might make this like bigger, because otherwise I don't think we're going to be able to see it. And I kind of want to be able to see it. That's sort of the whole point. Otherwise, what am I wasting all these polygons on? Measure once, cut twice. Leave it sticking out a little. Yeah. Definitely. I don't really make it. Okay, yeah. Like, this is my favorite part, is now we get to just make, you know, make this our own. You know what, for good measure, let's just assume that they didn't realize that there wasn't a board here. Oh wait, no, it makes more sense. Because it's probably like, I don't know if I want to make it that there's actually like a rope hanging this up, but you know what's better? My first sign TM. You know what's better than putting the hanging mechanism for your sign on the back like a sane person? Put it on the front. Okay, I'm not too worried about this, so I'm just gonna do a smart UV project. That's fine. It's beautiful. It's great. People are gonna love it. I already love it. The front. Yeah, you know, you get all your pieces in order, and instead of attaching them all on the back so that way the front looks nice, you do it all on the front. I mean, you did all of that work. Don't you want to show off your work? Naturally, you're gonna do it that way. I need to stop doing that. Shift A, cylinder, 12. We don't need 32 polygons or verts for this. You monster. I'm thinking like about there. Yeah. And then that's correct. So let's go ahead and select these. We'll control B. Just a little. Just something to give it the old razzle dazzle, if you will. Give them the old razzle dazzle. Razzle dazzle them. Here's a great little trick for you. Are you ready? So if you're, this is hardly a trick, but if you're making a cylinder and you want it to have like a round orb or whatever, just make like a diamond shape first, right? You can just select it, not on that, select it, and then bevel it, and then it kind of becomes like an orb. Boop. Beautiful. There you go. That's a free one for everybody. One of the most basic modeling techniques you can possibly do. You're welcome. Enjoy that. That's on me. Don't tell anybody I didn't do anything for you. Okay. Twitch ads. Forgot about those. Oh yeah, Twitch has ads. They sure do. I think can I turn those off? I don't even know. Not enough end guns. I'm trying to decide, like, what do I care about how this actually attaches to the back, or are we just gonna leave it like this? Because I kind of like the idea of this being, like, kind of fancy for no reason. Hi, bye, Mux. Oh, I should add you on YouTube because I like new videos. Videos are good. And yeah, thank you so much, seriously, for everything that you've done for this community. It's so cool that I get to do this because of you. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you around. Can't wait to show off the final product. That's right, it's not Mux on YouTube. That's not the live stream. There you are. Naturally, I'm already subscribed to you. Nobody should be surprised. Okay. I gotcha. Consider yourself watched. Okay, I'm off for real now. Laters. Bye. See you around, or see you next time. Control B. Again, like, so unnecessary. Really way over engineering this, but you know. Alright, see you in a little bit, Xavier. I need to probably stop soon. It's almost 6. I have other things I need to do today. But not yet. Nice. Okay. And we'll call that table sign. That's how you spell sign. How do you spell sign? Oh my god. S-I-G-H-N. Or S-I-G-N. Let's maybe call this like score sign instead. Okay. I mean, that alone is going to be a decent chunk of work. Just getting all of that set up. I'm so tired of having stiffly nose. It's the actual worst. Yeah, Stream Elements literally still says that nothing is happening. I wonder why. It's just so weird that, like, it just does not believe. Even its icon says that I'm currently streaming. Like, it knows that it's streaming, but it's not doing anything. Unless it doesn't work on Firefox for some reason. I don't know. New, select. I guess I could just start with the, like, my Blender. Oh, maybe that's not an option. Oh yeah, you could do Roblox. Hell yeah. Okay, select. Whatever. 3D models. FBX. Bush. Open. Okay. Bush first. Let's see. Interesting. Like how... You know, I'm gonna be honest. I'm thinking about it. I think I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. It's late. We've been going for like 4 hours. I think I'm ready to be done. I think I just want to call it there. It's been a good day. We finished, technically. Technically the game's done. We did it. Pack it up. We did it. But yeah, I'm tired. And I have other projects I need to get done today, so that I can't be on stream. So yeah, thank you so much. Sorry, Xavier. I don't know if you're still gone or if you will still be gone by the time that, you know, I'll see you around. I'll probably see you tomorrow. But yeah, thank you for being here, everybody. I love this project. This has been so much fun. I love it. This is what my channel is now. I love that I get to do this every day. It makes me happy. I hope it makes you happy. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe because we want to get those numbers up. I have tutorials coming on how to make VR games yourself, which should be great. What else? If you can support the coffee, then please consider going to this link down here. And thank you once again to my coffee members currently, which is Vegaina, Starry-Eyed Prince, and Cora. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me. It means the world. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go probably eat some pizza or something. I don't know yet. All right, bye.